Well, all right. This is March the 13th. We have been up to a lot of stuff, and I got my grandkids. Hey, come in. I got my three wonderful grandkids. Oh, Henry, Harrison, Hunter are coming in the door, and MeMe, let me back up with her 3H farm shirt on. And guys, you're off on spring break, right?
Yes.
Yep. Are you enjoying your break?
Yes.
All right, let me back up a little bit. Y'all back up a little bit. I want now turn around. I want to show you three wonderful grandkids on my daughter's side and my son-in-law's side, and Mimi's over here in her 3A shirt. So today we're gonna have fun, just kind of kicking around the old rod shop, and I'm gonna turn the camera over to my oldest grandson, Henry. Hunter. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. He's gonna film around and see what he likes in this shop, and he's gonna make some comments. So walk around, see what Papa's up to. This is a moped. Well, he's looking at the Corvette. Okay. This is a 1973 moped. All right. All right, kiddos. You walk around the shop.
Harrison said this is Papa's working on this.
This is the carburetor. Hunter,
the tractor.
This is the carburetor for the Jubilee and the distributor that's going to be put back in the tractor that's going to come out to your farm, and we're going to be able to plow. So you're welcome, Hunter. You just make a tour and see what else. You got any questions? Go ahead and walk around and see what kind of question you have. You know what? How that is? That old drill press? That's my grandpa's 1944 drill press. And it still works. So you walk around and focus and have fun. Henry likes the three.
The scooter.
The scooter. And Harrison has to hide his head. So, no, you're not Darth Vader.
I like that.
All right.
Too.
What do you think, y'all? What do you think is the best building in here?
Oh, the 28 Nash over here. The 28 Nash. Your papa needs to finish this 28 Nash. We've had it 9 years, and so we can all go for a ride, in the 28 Nash. You agree?
The boys.
Hey,
The boys
I'm
like
asking him if he agrees.
Yes.
You think we need to finish it?
Yeah.
Watch where you're pointing the camera, because you're just shooting. Okay, back there in the back is the old Delta. Way back there is your great-grandfather's. If you can make your way back there, see that Delta bandsaw right in front of you?
Right there.
All right, back up a little bit so you can see it. That's your great-grandfather's old Delta 1944 bandsaw. Your papa has rebuilt. Where Harrison's at, that's our TIG welder.
That's where Henry's at.
Okay.
That's the TIG welder over there. We're working on this Corvette right now. The boys like it a lot.
Yeah. Super
Okay.
cool.
What's the best thing you boys like about the Corvette besides the color?
I like how the body's built.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Me too.
You know, this is
This is Henry.
Jason was born in '76, and this is a 1976 Stingray. And
Take a peek. There's the engine.
Whoa.
Papa had spent tremendous time detailing that engine. It was built by somebody else, but we thought since y'all was on spring break, it'd be good to get exposure to our shop, and hopefully we all will build a car someday together. So, can you, yep. All right, Harrison, Henry, move out of the way. Let me, all right, I'm gonna stop this a minute. All right, we hope you love this family little short video on spring break. Please subscribe, thumbs up, visit Bear's Rod Shop. Come around here, boys. Come here. These are future street rod builders. They're going to be into cars. If they're not, I'm going to knuckle at them. And we love them. And you like cars?
Yeah.
Harrison? Henry?
Yeah, his favorite's a vet.
Hunter?
Heck yes.
All right. And what's your favorite career that you might go into?
I'm thinking maybe about NASCAR racing.
NASCAR racing. Mm-hmm. Harrison, what are you thinking about when you grow up? Are you going to be a farmer? A farmer or a race car driver?
When I grow up, I want to be a YouTuber when I grow up.
A YouTuber, all
I
right.
love that. Thumbs up.
How about you? How about you, Harry?
Thumbs up.
How about you, Henry?
I'm going to be a YouTuber that makes cars and new stuff.
Oh, good.
New
Okay,
stuff
yeah.
like
Unwrapping,
maybe aerospace.
like unwrapping new stuff.
How about a new rocket that goes to Mars? Yeah, that'd be good. Thumbs
Anything's
up.
possible.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Everybody. Please subscribe, and hope this video excites you guys because we love our grandkids to death, and we are all about farmers too. And come back and subscribe. Thank you.
Have a good day.
I thought